So you have to look for Git. Okay, just gonna say Git download. Okay, yeah, make sure when you download software you use official website. Okay, so like here, this is the official website of Git. It is git -ssm.com. okay, downloads. Okay, so you can go here. Okay, then so it depends on your operating system. Okay, yeah, if you are using Windows or Mac OS or Linux, you will choose. Okay, yeah, so I'm using Windows. Okay, here click here to download. Okay, this is the latest version. Okay, so actually you'll download it. Okay, the folder doesn't exist. Okay, see, it's okay, that is mine. Okay, so just after downloading you have to install it. Okay, it is there on downloads. Okay, programs. Okay, in this one. Okay, so you have to install it. Okay, so after that we can click finish. Okay, view release notes. No, I don't. Okay, then you can click finish. So now we have done installation of our Git. So then we can search it. Okay, you can search Git. So Git, here we have Git graphical user interface, and we have Git bash. Git bash is command line prompt. Okay, so it is like this. This is a command line. Okay, so in order to use this Git, there are common commands you have to know. Yeah, you have to know some commands which we use to write here and perform a particular operation. For example, the first things here you have to set up. Okay, for me here, if I will check git, okay, git config hyphen here, just git config list. Okay, just this git config list is to check your configuration, your setting of this git repository. Okay, this is local repository git. Okay, so here you will notice this. Okay, there is username. Okay, and also there is email. Yeah, so here username is, this is my username. Okay, and this is my email. Okay, so when you set this, it means when you upload or when you commit changes, it will get the details of who made these changes. Okay, so your username and your email will be there, and if you push, okay, your maybe your codes to the online repository. Okay, so for example GitHub or Bitbucket. Okay, so it will notice, okay, the user, okay, and the details. So this is important to set, okay, while you are contributing to any open source project, or if maybe you have a team. Okay, so you have to make sure you have set these ones. So I will show you how to set